Hello, my name is Lisa Nebeker, and I am an online math instructor with Idaho Digital Learning Alliance. Today I'm going to talk to you about two whiteboard tools that are Chrome extensions that can turn a web page into a whiteboard. The first one we're going to talk about is called Page Marker. It is a Chrome extension, and to add Page Marker to your Chrome, all you have to do is open up a Google search and search for Page Marker extension. At the very top of my search, I have Page Marker for Google Chrome. I want to go ahead and select that. This brings me to the Chrome Web Store, and it's already opened up Page Marker as the one that I'm looking at. All I have to do is select Add to Chrome and then approve adding the extension. After that happens, you will notice that now I have a little red pen at the very top of my screen, and that is Page Marker. What can I do with Page Marker? Well, with Page Marker, you can write directly on the screen. To open it, you just click on the little red pen at the top of your browser bar. And now I have a pen. You can change the colors if you would like, so you can write in whatever color you wish. It is a pencil only, it's not a highlighter, but you can, for example, you could work through this problem for the students. You can write notes off to the side. It does write fairly smooth, and if you feel like the text is too big or too small, you can change it to little like a pencil or gigantic like a marker. It has an eraser, so you can erase, and it works just like the eraser on the end of a pencil. It doesn't erase everything that you put on the board, just the part you happen to be touching. If you select this arrow key, it allows you to move around your page. So if I had not selected that, my page is frozen, but this allows me to move to different pages. It does bring the notes with me. When you're done and you've added everything that you want, what you want to do is make sure that you download it if you want to save the work with the annotations. Once you close this, it will erase everything that you have on the screen, that you've added to the screen, I should say. The slide that was there before will still be there, but anything you've added will be erased. So before you do that, you want to make sure you hit this download button if you want to save it, and it downloads a screenshot. You can see down here at the bottom of my page, I have something that has downloaded, and if I open it, it's a screenshot of my entire web page with all of the annotations that I've made. When you've finished using Page Marker, you can clear or you can just close. When you close, it will erase, and if you were to open Page Marker again, it would bring up the tool but not what you had on the screen previously. So Page Marker is a great Chrome extension. It's very easy to use, but with easy to use, it doesn't have a lot of tools. It's just a pen and an eraser. It's great for live demonstrations if you're doing live instructions. And just keep in mind, if you want to save what you've written on the board, make sure you download it before closing Page Marker. The next one we're going to talk about is called Web Paint. We're going to add it the same way that we did Page Marker. So I'm just going to open up a Google search, and I'm going to select or type in Web Paint. Again, it brings up Web Paint for Google Chrome. It's going to take me to the Chrome store once again. Again, this is free. You don't have to pay for it, but you do have to go through these steps to add it to your browser. So once I'm on the page for Web Paint, I select Add to Chrome, and I approve it. And now you'll notice that I have this little, it looks like a painter's pad right here up at the top. When I select that pen, it opens Web Paint. Now, what can I do with Web Paint? It has a lot more tools that Page Marker does not. You can draw circles and ellipses, you can draw rectangles, you can draw straight lines. So that may be important depending on what you're working with. You can also add text directly to the screen, and you can use handwriting. So again, I could work through a problem down here, and the students would be able to see me writing just as if I were writing on a board. It has a few cool features. The eraser works similar to the end of a pencil as well, and it just erases the part that you're touching, even text. Okay. And it has a few things that you can do with it. So for example, you can select part of the screen and then you can use the fill, and if you click outside of it, it fills in everything except for that portion. It has an undo button in case you want to undo what you've just done. It also has the option where you can pick any color on the screen. This is not a real colorful screen, but with the little dropper I could select this blue color that's up here. Ooh, that's a nice color. Okay, but whatever you've clicked on, it selects the color, and now I'm writing in that color. So it has some cool features that PageMarker does not. You can still save your annotated page. What you want to do is go ahead and click on the little camera and it takes a screenshot. You'll notice up here in the corner I have options. I can download that screenshot, I can print that screenshot, or I can copy it to a clipboard. You can even select crop and it will bring it up, and you can just select a section of the page and then you crop it and it saves that part, and then you can click on finish. Okay, so you can download it so that you can share. You can copy it to a clipboard so you can paste it into a Google Doc or a presentation or any other place that takes a copy and paste. Okay, so you have a lot of options with WebPaint that are kind of fun. You again want to make sure that you have saved that before you exit out. This is the eraser button that erases everything on the screen. If you exit out of WebPaint and then you open it again, it does bring those back up if you don't erase them. So that is one nice thing. If you accidentally exit out, everything is still there. So WebPaint is a Chrome extension that can turn a web page into a whiteboard. It has more tools than PageMarker does and allows you to do more things. You can save and you can crop. It's great for live demonstrations, for screencasts, for submitting feedback in the form of an image. Again, you can write right on top of a student's assignment. You can take a screenshot and submit that to the student as feedback. If you have any questions about this or other topics, you can check out our eDay support at IDLA. The website is right here. It provides live help 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Mountain Time, Monday through Friday. We're here to help and we'd love to hear from you.